1. This is Neil Carlo Abello of Excellent Incubators. It is the 100 automatic capacity incubator natin, and I'll show you kung paano to gamitin. First, you can see 2 lines na timer showing the LED light blinking, meaning gumagana yung timer natin, and then the other is for the thermostat. We made 2 separate lines for this to avoid any conflict on the other line if walang madadamay na linya. Okay? It's as simple as this. Bubuksan nyo to, then naka-plug na sila pareho here. You put the egg here. Let me show you an example egg. You put the egg there. Each row has like 8 eggs na pwede nyo ilagay. It's a total of 70 setter, 30 hatcher, or 60 setter, 40 hatcher. You put water here sa water pan. Pupunuin nyo. Then ibabalik nyo dito. Manual and guide instructions is here. In this case, hindi bumukas ang ilaw. You just need to turn it on. There. Naka-open na ngayon ang light. You wait for until makaabot siya ng 39 degrees on the thermometer. Pag naka 39 degrees siya, it has to automatically shut off. Pag hindi nag-shut off, you turn it off using the thermostat. Pag 39 na siya, then wait for it to open to 37. So magbubukas na lang yan ng 37 in a while. That's it. Thank you guys, everyone. This is Neil Carlo Abello again of Razor King Farm and Excellent Incubators. God bless.